This is Alberto, founder of Cryo Studio Sarasota, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit more in depth about iCoone, okay? So iCoone is one of my personal favorite treatments because it does so much for the body in a single session. All right, so an iCoone treatment always starts with a base program or a base session, okay? During this base, we always do lymphatic drainage, but guided towards a certain outcome, okay? So we can do lymphatic drainage with also skin tightening or with also fat reduction or body remodeling. So it has different settings that we can use, and it can be done with the two robo twins or with a single applicator, and it's essentially doing light cupping, and it's lifting the skin from the underlayer tissue, and it's really helpful to just create elasticity in the skin, okay? So your base program is always going to have a full body lymphatic drainage guided to a certain outcome. The second part of the treatment and the third part of the treatment are going to be two focus programs. Those focus programs are going to depend on your goal. Do you want to have more skin elasticity? Do you want to work on cellulite? Do you want to repair the tissue? Do you want to do fat reduction? So all those things that we talk about during your consultation, we then put together a protocol to help you achieve those goals. And it's also very relaxing, so it's like the best massage you'll ever have. You'll just have to wear a nice suit that is provided for you. It's really tight, and we get to perform the treatment. So come check out iCoone at Cryo Studio Sarasota.